mga bata may laruan, si daddy may laruan din. This is daddy's toy.
Really?
Ayan. Ito yung hinahanap niya. For so long. What is this? The wagon. From the start. From the start. You've been looking for this for like a week. And this is it. He got it. And he's trying to... Wow, you have sunglasses for $100.
This is daddy's toy.
Ito na yung kanyang laruan. His toy. It's already fixed. The wagon. Yan. Kaya yan siya bumili nito. Because of this.
Take my foot back there again.
I know! Kaya siya, kasi ikakat niya nga yung ititrim niya yan. Tapos inatake. So, hatakin na lang siya ng lawnmower. Ayun. So, ayan. Kinat niya yan. Are you done? Are you done for that trip? This trip? You done? Ihatakin ka ng lawnmower paper. Diba? Para hindi na siya maghakot-hakot ng diba sa Pilipinas, idadali natin, hakutin natin ang kamay natin. So, later, I will show you about how he going to pull it. Yan, yan siya, maglalaro na siya. He's going to play now.
I'm working here.
My mom was my best friend.
Yan yung hinaan. Ito yung gustong-gusto niya mangyari. Kaya naghanap siya ng wagon. Hey! Hey, Adriana! Ha? Wow! Wow! You wanna ride with Daddy?
I'm gonna take that in there. So I don't sit up.
What is daddy?
You wanna ride?
You got some here, baby.
Oh, 3,000 nasa 150,000 peso. 150,000 peso yung maliit na motor na yan. Actually, that's a land mower.